Okay. New policy for what?
Indexing. We're required to do the recording indexing. Let's
Okay,
see,
Jay. I
recording
saw it.
indexing. I think within 24 hours or something like that.
Yeah, I saw the policy. I saw the policy. Just walk me through how it's need to be done. Just a few words, then I can
We
understand.
can
Jay.
start by going to the link for all of the videos for my channel at least. And
Okay.
then you would just find the video we have now, and you would start by linking it here
Okay.
in line 6. That would be the beginning. And then from there, for our first topic, we need to think about like the start time
Uh,
and the end time. So start and end. And then we can just keep track of that and make sure that when we're documenting, for example, this would be part of recruitment documentation. Also for our recruitment work organizing spreadsheet,
mm-hmm.
or maybe the recruitment round sheet, recruitment and outreach round sheet, we could make sure we add the link to the notes, right? So we always have link all session notes, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So that's all we need to do. Just make sure that we're organized and we're not just like skipping and losing this information so that's available for
Mm-hmm.
the team.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Got it. Jay. Got it. Got it. Session link. Start. You mean start time and end time?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
it's the start time and the end time of the video, right? So we started the video, what, 2 minutes ago?
Yeah. 2 minutes maybe. Just a thing. Okay. Start time. How I am going to track the time here. Uh, the Octane time, Sonic 1, Sonic 3.
Time for breath.
I don't know what you're
Breathe,
talking
stop,
about.
and
I
get
think it's the
ready.
video
Now
indexing.
inhale. 1, 2,
Yeah, start
3.
time. You see,
Exhale.
line
1,
3,
2,
start
3.
time.
Pause. Inhale together. 1, 2,
No, this would
3.
be
Exhale, relax.
um for the video it would be like the third, like if we start now it'd be like the 4th minute, right?
Yeah.
We haven't started topic 1 yet. So when we start topic 1, we would start topic 1 on like, 0004 or whatever, right?
Okay,
We
okay,
start
Jay. Okay,
4 minutes after the beginning of the video.
okay, okay.
Anyways, we should get started.
Yeah.
Do
Uh, mentor.
you want to start?
Yeah, I understand.
So what do you think the status is?
I'm not sure, Jay. This is my first recruitment recruitment session after a long, long time.
Okay, well let's start with the admin and the oversight. Who's
Yeah,
responsible for the work?
admin and oversight. Okay.
Who's overseeing the recruitment work?
I think NRT coordinator is Sandy.
And where's Sandy right now?
Sandy is in leave.
Uh-huh. And so therefore what happens when someone takes leave?
Okay. Someone, other person need to coordinate in on behalf of the person.
And who is that going to be?
I, me.
Okay. All right. So now we're making some progress. So you're gonna make sure you announce that to the team. Make sure everyone understands that you are stepping up for doing the recruitment coordination, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
So this is where you should be updating me on the status of everything. What does the recruitment coordinator do if they're not sure what the status is? What do they do?
Recruitment coordinator deadlines. Let me check the leadership.
Okay, but what do you do if you're the recruitment coordinator
Uh-huh.
and you're not sure of the status? What do you do?
I'll check the status.
No, what do you do if you're not sure of something and you said you were the recruitment coordinator, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so any coordinator position, if you're not sure
Mm-hmm.
about what's going on and what the status is, what do? Do you just sit around and do nothing and not talk to anybody and just show up
No,
for a session and say, "Oh, this is my first session. I have no idea what's going on." Is that what you do?
no, Jay. I need to
What are
check.
you supposed to do?
Okay, I need to check the status, and I need to check uh, the responsibility training sheet.
Hmm.
So
Where do you find information if you're not sure what the information is or where to get it?
okay, we need to check the
Stop checking. What do you do? What do you do when you don't know something? What do you do? Do you just randomly start looking through documents and
no.
searching and
I will go Discord channel, NRT
and do what?
channel,
What do you do on the
and
Discord channel?
check.
No, what do you do? Why do we go to Discord? What do we do on Discord? We just go and we just read messages? Is that all we do on Discord?
Um, check.
What do we use Discord for? Why do we use Discord at all?
Okay, we Discord for our communication and update.
Exactly, communication. Yes.
Yeah.
So how do you
Okay.
communicate? What would you do if you don't know something?
I would communicate.
And what do you do in that communication? What kind of communication is it?
Okay. Let the team know I am the coordinator, and mm,
And then you tell everybody that you don't know what the current status is, and then what do you do?
and then I will start the.
Stop thinking about yourself, right? You just
Mhm.
need to stop thinking about what you're going to do and just tell
Okay.
me what you
Okay.
communicate.
Okay. I will communicate with
You
the.
can't do anything. You have no idea.
Time to
So
stretch.
you need to
Please
communicate
stop.
with the rest of the
Stand
team.
up and stretch and move around for 30 seconds.
What do you do when you don't know something? Do you just randomly communicate and randomly like just hope everything comes to you? Like, is that what you do? Like, what do you do when you don't know something? Because that's nothing to do with you because you don't know it. So there's nothing that you can do that's going to get you
Mhm.
that information. So what do you do to communicate?
Okay. Communication. Yes.
Yeah, what type of communication? Are you going to like just draw random red and yellow lines and write some random words or write a poem? Like, what are you going to communicate?
Okay. Communication means I'm the recruitment coordinator, and we have started the coordination. So let the team know we're going to start it, and
Okay, after we
and
do a proposal, what do we ask?
mhm.
After we make a proposal. So we do proposal, let's change our name to blue instead of core. So what do we do after you make a proposal? What's the next part of a proposal process?
The proposal for the scheduling, I mean, the session.
No, any proposal. Anytime you make a proposal on anything, what do you do? So, for example, if I say proposal to cancel recruitment, what's the next part?
Proposal to cancel. Next part is we need to proposal to cancel. Okay. We need to let the team know that this was
No,
cancelled.
no. Oh my God. How do you interact with someone? You just tell them, oh, recruitment's canceled and this is what's going to happen. And no one has any say in anything. You're not going to actually interact with anybody in any way, right? Like how do you actually interact with people and work together? What do you do?
Uh,
What
I
did
do
I just
communication.
what did I just do 5 times or 20 times in a row just now? What am I doing in my communication to you right now? What is my sentence? What type of sentence am I telling you right now? Over and over again or like 20 times in a
Asking
row?
questions. Asking
Yes.
questions. Oh my god.
Just
Asking
ask
questions.
a question, Mamoon.
Yeah. Thank you, Jay.
Just ask a freaking question. If you don't know, you ask. Like, why can't you ask questions? Like, why are you not able to
Time
just
to
go to the
pause.
team
Please stop.
and ask a
Close
simple
your eyes.
question like, what is the
Count
current
1,
status of the
2,
recruitment?
3, 4, 5.
Okay, Jay.
Open
Yeah.
your
Thank
eyes.
you, Jay. Thank you for clarifying this. Yeah.
So what does a coordinator do if they're not sure what the status is?
Asking questions. Yeah.
They ask. So give me an example of the question that you would ask.
Okay. I would ask. Let me know the status and
Yes,
current status of the.
That's it. Can you let me know the status, please? Like that's a perfect question. Very simple, very straightforward.
Okay.
Okay, so anyways, for the deadlines, we have 2 deadlines. We've got the new moon, which is in basically 2 weeks, and then we have the next new moon, which is in 1.5 months, right? So those are the 2 primary deadlines. I don't think anything like minimal to hardly anything going to happen in the next 2 weeks, right? I mean, nobody cares about recruitment. No one's going to be prioritizing it. It's really nothing's moving forward, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So we might want to consider, postponing as much as we can
Okay.
until the next new moon, right? So it would be good to make sure we have these dates. So if you want to verify the dates, that would be good.
Okay.
I'll
Sure.
do it
Sure.
as
Sure.
well.
I'm checking the date, Jay. The new moon is going to 9. Okay. No. 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 No, not 9.
I have March 10th.
Yeah. March 10. March 10 and full moon is
We've got
25.
March 10th, and then the next one is April
April 8.
April 8th. Okay. All right. So I think we have some clarity on the deadline. So then the next question is, basically our criteria for the different deadlines and what we're supposed to do.
Okay. Criteria.
So let's take March 10th new moon for that one. Start with that. So for this one, we have the taxes mini recruitment. And I think we still have RTA mini recruit.
Time for breath. Please stop and get ready. Now inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Inhale together. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Relax.
And then we have the
Okay.
main half outreach and recruitment round, right?
Okay. These are all are total different recruitment, Texas Mini, RTVA, and half year outreach recruitment round. These are totally different recruitment round. These three, Jay.
Well, no, we only have one recruitment round. We have the two mini recruitments, right? So mini recruitment is a lot simpler and quicker and faster, not a lot of requirements.
Okay.
Whereas the main half year outreach and recruitment round is much more specific. So, for example, this we have the setup. We've got drafting, posting, right,
Okay.
follow up.
Follow up. Yeah.
So that's what we're supposed to do for the main half year outreach recruitment. We barely even started, right? So if we look at
Yeah.
current status of each of these, basically everything's at like 0%. Maybe this is at like 5%. Setup is like done the most on the setup. So maybe we did 30% on this and 0 and 0. So anyways, we're really bad shape on the recruitment, right?
Recruitment. Yeah.
So then if we look at the criteria for the April 8th deadline, so this one is based on our new policy. So we have a new policy.
New policy. New policy on criteria. Policy.
Okay, so the criteria is, so there's taxes mini recruitment again. We have RTVA, I think is better now. We're making progress on RTVA finally. Then we have external
Time to
income.
pause. Please stop. Close your eyes.
Internal
Count
income.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
Payroll is okay, payroll budget okay for now. And then we have recruitment, mini recruitment, right? And then we have the overall main half year recruitment round. I believe the primary deadline is just our list verification. So that is what is due for April 8th, as far as the criteria goes.
April 8. Okay. Tax Okay. Okay. Understood. So, one more question, Jay. So, do we have mini recruitment responsibility training sheet, or we just do it within
No,
the recruitment round sheet?
I mean, mini recruitment is just kind of like a mini version of like the overall recruitment. So basically, you have to decide what and where to recruit.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, we know the what. We know the what based on the criteria, and so then as far as like where is basically flexible and just choose somewhere that is that that works, right? Something simple or a couple places, and then you just update post, post to follow up, and then I think we also do rankings and budget,
Yeah.
interview rankings and budget as well. But oh, it's pretty straightforward and simple. There's nothing. It's not as intense although the mini recruitment, mini outreach for the external income is sort of different because that's looking for client work, right? So this one's the first time we're ever doing this, so that one's slightly different. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's more like advertising as opposed to just posting, but I guess posting, advertising, same thing. And then you're going to be following potential clients instead of following potential workers, right? So any other questions on that?
No question here. So
All
steps.
right. So that brings us
Way
to
more clear.
Time to take a break. Please stop, write down whatever you were about to say, and take a break for 6 minutes.
all right. So let's take a break, right?
Okay, Jay. Okay. I'm back, Jay. So, I'm back, Jay.
All right.
So, can we just check these steps? So we can work from first steps.
No, I don't think we're not doing that right now. Right now we're doing a status
End
update.
of break. Time to start.
Okay.
Please get focused on the session.
In fact, I think we need to do policy training unless you're timekeeping. I don't know how much time we
Okay.
have left.
Okay. We have like 30 to 45 minutes, right? Oh, oh, 9 to no. We already passed the time, Jay.
For the status update. So I think we
Mm,
went over time or something. I don't know.
we,
We need
we,
to rethink this. So we
we,
need to do
we over
policy.
the
We need
time,
to
Jay.
policy training for 0.25 hours for not tracking time.
0.25
So let's just say
hours.
we have like 5 minutes left. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay. So to finish the update, I mean, obviously we need to do policy training and propose postponing the recruitment deadlines for the in 2 weeks to give us 1.5 months, right? So obviously we're gonna do that, but like we can do that at the new moon, right? We have 2 weeks to finalize that proposal and figure out exactly what we need to do. Because I think it does make sense to postpone everything until April 8th.
Okay.
Oh, but more importantly, we need to understand why the team refuses to work on recruitment and trains new workers that they should not work on recruitment, right? Because that's like the primary problem is that the team itself,
Mm-hmm.
we have a culture, right? Our culture currently is that recruitment is bad, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So we need to make sure or do training or something, figure out how to get on the same page for recruitment, right? So maybe we could look at all the pros and cons of recruitment. So I would start with like the pros.
Mm-hmm.
So for recruitment, obviously, it can bring in more money for our client outreach, right? So client outreach, good,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Also, it is gets fresh ideas, perspectives, and energy in the
Mm-hmm.
team, right? So that's also very good. I think it's helped a lot in the last
Mm-hmm.
couple weeks.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
Also, you never know the potential of a new worker. So they might help us with various tasks or various
Yeah.
side
So
of our.
we have potential to get more work done, right? Work completed
Yeah.
with more workers, or complete those with more skilled workers. I think also there's the issue of or pro of finding workers who can actually do the work at the highest professional level. So there's something to be said for just having the potential of finding
Hmm.
workers who actually can complete the work, right?
Yeah.
Also, but if we can't do work, right? So if our current team can't achieve the work output required,
Hmm.
then this is the only way we can even have any hope of achieving our mission, right? So it's
Hmm.
very important if we care about the mission of the organization. If we're not able with the current team to achieve the work, then recruitment outreach is the only way to be able to do that. From
Yes.
there, some of the other pros is that it's the foundation to public accountability and you know checks and balances on the power of individual workers and the team to uh, to about accomplishing the work. So it's very, very important for our principles and models of public accountability. Um, yeah, I think those are the main pros.
Hmm.
Hmm. So
Cons.
the
Cons.
cons is obviously that we have a tight budget
Hmm.
and can't hire everyone. That's obviously a con, right? Obviously, from there, training and teaching new hires how to do the work is very difficult, right?
Difficult,
Time.
and it cost.
Get ready. Now inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Inhale together. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, relax.
All right. Anyway, so we're out of time on this topic.
Mhm.
I think we are good though, as far as
Jay,
getting.
we can agree on more 10 minutes on these topics.
I don't know. If you want to do more, I would just do like 3 to 6 minutes. But I feel like we're good. I mean, do you have another con that you like need to do or that you want to add?
Uh, Con would be um, maybe pros and cons.
All right. If you don't have
I
one, then
think
let's
these
just
two
do our
is good.
policy. Yeah, I think it's fine. I don't think
Yeah.
there are a lot of cons. Like the main thing is
Yeah.
just like budget and potentially tight budget. Potentially
Yeah, we
to
already covered
to
that. Yeah.
hire workers who are not achieving. All right, cool. So let's go on to the next topic. So I think we have clarity on our status update. So now I think we're looking at recruitment setup. I don't think I can do 30 to 45 minutes. Let's do 12 to 24 minutes on this. And for me, the primary goal is clear I don't know, like let's just like brainstorm primary outcomes for the recruitment round, and then also um, start drafting final proposal for criteria, right?
Yeah.
So if we could do that, then we'll be halfway done with the recruitment setup. Okay, so does that sound good for
Okay.
topic two?
Topic two. Okay, let me make the tab, Jay.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
Okay, then topic two.
Yeah, topic 2.
We started till 40.
So the first thing we need for topic 2 would be we obviously need the recruitment and outreach round sheet, right? But we also need the voting that we did before. Oh man. So the main question is like, what are our primary goals and outcomes for this round? I think that the main thing that's clear is obviously we want to integrate client outreach. Right, that is just super duper important.
Mm-hmm.
From there, we want to do mini recruitments, and this includes for taxes, recruitment, um, external income, and internal income. So I think these are our 4 main criteria for the mini recruitment.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I mean, we could do other options we can think about. So for me, these are the top. These 2 things are the top. So then the other for me, other would include like volunteer recruitment, um, HR board recruitment, and then investor relations, and then fundraising, right? Fundraising. So I think these are the other ones that would be important that to consider, even though maybe not our top priorities.
Mm-hmm.
But in future recruitment rounds, like recruiting for volunteers, HR board, investors, fundraising, I mean, we have to do this stuff, right? I mean, right now, client outreach is important, right? And I
Mm-hmm.
think the better important thing is that, really we're looking for donors, right? We want people to donate, donors, and this would be a type of fundraising.
Okay.
It would be
Time
like
to
a
stretch.
outreach
Please
for
stop.
donors.
Stand up and stretch and move around for 30 seconds.
Okay. Did you mean we outreach for the donors, right? Actually, we do outreach for
Well,
donors.
if we prioritize it, that would be a type of fundraising. There's a lot of different ways to fundraise money.
Mm-hmm.
Outreaching for donors is just one way, right? So this is an option.
Okay. Okay. Just leave it for now. Then, oh, no problem. You just leave it
Anyways, but
for
I think
now.
our main 2 are really just the client outreach and our mini recruitments, right? I think those are our main
Yeah. These are the
focus.
top priorities.
Anyways, what we need the link to voting on recruitment priorities.
Voting on recruitment priorities. Where should I get it, Jay? Voting. I'm not sure where did we vote on recruitment priorities.
We definitely did. This will be part of our status update as well. That
Okay,
we
status.
voted, but we never actually finalized the proposal for the criteria.
Okay. Link to voting.
I'll see if I can find it as well.
Yeah, yeah, I can do it. Yeah. I'm not sure where to find.
Search recruitment. Did you ever find the recruitment round sheet?
Yeah, but it was. You see, I linked new recruit team doc. and in there we can have 111E recruitment round sheet.
Triple one. No, we're on 173° west.
Okay, so this is
All right, I found the
way more.
173° west outreach and recruitment round sheet.
Oh, you got it.
So I'll put that on line 18.
Okay, opening. Yeah, open.
So this is where you need to
Recruitment.
link the session, right? You need to link the session here because it's very important to link all of our sessions so we don't
Yeah,
lose them because we
yeah.
currently there's 0 sessions, which means we have no information on any recruitment, which means that we did not index properly. There's a huge
Okay,
problem. If we
important notes.
Time
Okay,
to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
okay, yeah, I just added our notes. 173 outreach and goal, responsibility organizing link is here.
Oh, here I found it. I put it in line 21. I think we forgot to do our timer again. Did you do time tracking?
Yeah. We are on 16 minutes on this topic.
We have 16 minutes left, or we've already done 16 minutes?
We already done 16 minutes.
Okay, so we have 24 total, so that leaves us 8 more minutes, right?
Yeah, 8 more minutes.
All right, so this is really interesting. So if you look at this data here, you can see that we prioritized as a team. It looks like you did vote as well.
Yeah, I did it.
So we
Yeah.
prioritized as a team to prioritize clients, investors, and donors, like I was just talking about, and
hmm
then in multimedia above paid workers, right?
Yeah.
So, if we wanted to do a serious outreach and recruitment round where we
hmm
prioritize bringing in money, and paid workers and doing the whole thing, that could be pretty impressive to do all of
hmm
these. Obviously, like, I mean, it's just like an extraordinary amount of work to do
hmm
a a recruitment round on clients, investors, donors, multimedia, and paid workers all at the same time in two
Yeah.
weeks. So that's definitely not going to be easy, but
hmm
that's what the data says, right? The data says that we should be doing that based on how we voted.
Yeah.
Then if we look at our topics, so we could re-vote and rethink that. As
hmm
far as topics, we have value coordinator, ORC coordinator, fundraising, post for donors, cooperative program coordinator. So these are some of the priorities
Yeah.
that we have
hmm
for our actual posting, right? So topic,
Time for
the
breath. Please stop and
contributors.
get ready. Now inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Inhale together. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, relax.
So as far as like locations, we have Facebook and LinkedIn. Or these
hmm
would be platforms. This is Facebook and
Okay.
LinkedIn as the top. Wait, no. These aren't actually in the correct order. So it's actually LinkedIn and then Facebook. Same difference. Okay. So then as far as locations, we have Argentina and Colombia still look like top priorities.
Argentina and Colombia.
New World, we're still focusing on New World. Then we have our team, a Discord and our team site, Google Groups. We're doing LinkedIn, Facebook groups. Yeah. So these will be like our main communication sites. Google site portal. Cool. All right. So, I mean, I think this is the beginning of our proposal.
Mm-hmm.
And basically, the proposal would be, to approve the following criteria for our recruitment round. So it's definitely a lot of things that we would need to consider, and it's a lot
Mm-hmm.
of work. And I think the beginning of it really starts with why would we want to do all of this work? So if we can get agreement as a team and have understanding of why and agreement on doing this, and give ourselves until April 8th. If we did all of this, it would be the biggest recruitment round we've ever done, right? It'd be amazing. But the biggest problem is the contributors. Let's just do a quick with the contributors again, okay? Can we do that on line 57? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, Jay.
So I was saying, like, on line 57, just like really
Mm-hmm.
quickly, maybe we could reprioritize these and see kind of like
Mm-hmm.
where just at least me and you are in terms of prioritizing these. If we really want to
Yeah,
do all 5 of these, that could be a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah.
Doing an entire investor and donor round is going to be a lot of work. I would prioritize the investors over the donors. Multimedia, I love the idea of multimedia. Obviously, I love the idea of doing clients. I think paid workers is going to be just required. So, anyways, I think it's just good to just quickly get a clarity just between me and you.
Time to pause. Please stop. Close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
All right, so let's see what this looks like now. So between just me and you, we probably could just cut the investors and donors for this round and maybe do that the next
Yeah,
round, right? Because
great.
it's like, that might just be too much work. Like if we just focus on our clients, our paid workers, and multimedia for now, and just do those 3, it's all already a lot of work to do. I mean, we've never done client outreach and advertising before, so that alone is a lot of work. The paid workers we already know is a lot of work. Multimedia is also new. So getting this all done by April 8th would be a lot. Adding the investors and donors, I would love to do it. If the team wanted to do the investors and donors, I think we could do it.
Mm-hmm.
This is all going to be the current recruitment round,
Okay.
right? This is all part of the current recruitment round. Whatever we agree to will be in the recruitment round. Does that make sense?
No, Jay. No, I'm good.
But whatever we agree to will be the recruitment round. Does that make sense?
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah. Anyway, so I think this looks good for now. Yeah.
Okay.
So I think we're done. So
Uh,
anyways, as far as like policies go, we're doing really bad with our indexing again. So we didn't get the start time or the end time for the other one. So I don't know what we want to do about that, but we can put this all basically into recruitment. So start and end. If we do the end time on this, it would be around maybe 50, 51 or something like that. All right. So anything else? We have 1 minute left on this topic. Anything else you want to add?
okay. No, 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 no,
Okay.
Jay.
Can
Just
you make sure that you link the notes to the recruitment round sheet under the sessions tab, please?
yeah. I already linked the node, Jay.
You did.
In the recruitment round, you go under infos and then
No, I want it
line.
under sessions. It needs to be under sessions.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Let me link. Let me link.
Great. Okay, cool. All right. So, anyways, I think we are good on that. Let's go ahead and take a break. When we come back, we can wrap up and then do our final answer everything. Okay.
Okay, Jay. Okay.
Cool. All right, great work. That was a really good topic there. We got through everything on
Time to
time.
take a break.
No,
Please
Yeah,
stop.
very good.
five
Write down
minutes.
what you were about to say and take a break for 6 minutes. And it's 4 o'clock. Time to start. Please get focused on the session.
I'm here, Jay. Jay, I have a question. Jay, are you there?
Okay, I am back.
Jay, for making sure that we are on same page, I'm just asking the coordinator, what's the coordinator, and fundraising post for donorship and fundraising, right?
What? Say again? What's the question?
I mean, okay, the question is, which for which position we are going to hire, for which positions?
Yeah, I mean, all the positions are up, but our primary
Any
focal points are going to be recruitment, uh, payroll, and budget, as well as uh, I think it's under the recruitment status, right? So the criteria. So the criteria that we were talking about is taxes, um, client outreach, internal income, client
okay.
coordination, recruitment. Yeah. So
Okay,
those are the main.
so
We
Jay,
also talked about doing some fundraising, maybe. So, anyways, why? What's the question? Do you have any other questions, or did I answer it?
okay. The other question is because um, do we draft or post different type of job post
Time
for
to pause.
each
Please stop.
and
Close your eyes.
specific
Count
topic?
1, 2,
Like,
3, 4, 5. Open your eyes.
Yes, we have different. Each topic is going to have different types of posts. Yes.
okay, okay. Thank you, Jay.
But
Thanks
we
for the.
can also create an umbrella post, right? That just has everything all in one post, right? It just depends on
Yeah,
however we want
exactly.
it.
That's what I'm asking, Jay, because
We can do both, but
that
the
will.
thing is that's a separate, like the setup, to finalize the setup, we just need to have agreement, okay? Then in
Okay,
the
Jay.
actual drafting, we can draft as long as you meet the criteria, the drafting is fine. We just have to meet the criteria. So we can always do extra, but we have to do the minimum to meet the criteria, which just is based on whatever we feel is required. Okay.
Okay, Jay. Okay, okay, okay. Understood. And one last question is, may I know the steps we are doing next? Just next, we need to do next.
All that we're focusing on right now is agreement.
Okay,
Like the number one priority is getting agreement with the team on the criteria. Until we do that,
okay.
we don't know how to move forward because we can't draft the posts for a post that we don't even know what we're drafting. That makes sense?
So, yeah, yeah. For agreement, what I need to do? I mean, we need to do. Let the team know these are the agreements, and do we need to take their votes? Team's
Yeah, we need
votes.
to prioritize during main session. We need to create the proposal. So here, let
Mm-hmm.
me make a list. So next steps to get team agreement on outreach and recruitment around criteria. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, great, great, great.
So
Great.
we need to make sure the team understands why recruitment and outreach is important, right? So that's kind of what we talked
Mhm.
about earlier, which is basically like what are the pros and
Yeah,
cons of
pros and
recruitment?
cons. Yeah, yeah, we did pros and cons. Yeah.
Yeah, so unless we get team buy-in, like wait, well, there needs to be some type of buy-in, right? So we need team buy-in on recruitment. Otherwise, none. It's just never going to happen. Otherwise, it will never happen. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
So
Need
then
to buy
number
in on
three would
recruits.
be
Okay,
basically we
okay,
need to draft the
Jay,
proposal. We need to
Jay,
draft the proposal. What?
Jay. I don't understand the word buy in on recruits.
Buy-in on recruitment.
Time
Okay.
for breath. Please
What does it
stop and
mean, Jay?
now inhale. One, two,
Um,
three. Exhale. One, two, three. Pause. Inhale together. One, two, three. Exhale. Relax.
so having buy-in is kind of like just having agreement and having understanding, like basically thinking that it's important, right?
Okay, 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 good.
Right. So understand important, right? So if the team
Okay,
understands that it's important, they're committed, right? To have
okay,
commitment, right? There should be some sort of
okay.
interest and commitment in the recruitment round because right now nobody cares about the recruitment round, which is a huge problem, right? It's holding back the
Yes,
team, it's holding back our ability to be successful. We need to
yes,
have, I shouldn't be the only person working on recruitment, right?
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
So then we need to draft the proposal. We got to get agreement on the proposal, and then we need to document and follow up with the actual, you know, deadlines and everything, right?
Okay, for your further information, Jay. Just this recruitment round, I will need your help, and from next round, I might not need help from you. Okay,
We're gonna
I
work
will.
as a team, Mamoon. We always work as a team. I
Yeah,
do like 90% of recruitment already, so it's just like there's no way that I'm not going to be involved. It's just a matter of like getting the team working together on it. Eventually, I should be putting like 5% of the time should be me, and the rest of the team should be putting in the 95%. So
yeah, yeah, Jay.
there, you
Yeah,
know, there just needs to be some type of understanding that it's something that we all want to do together. Like recruitment is important.
yeah. So we have a main session today. So we are going to bring
No,
the.
the main sessions on Thursday, Friday.
No, let me check, Jay. Let me confirm. Let me confirm. Uh, uh, it's main session, main session. Jay, we have eval main session 28, 29. Oh, okay. Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, okay, good. So Wednesday, Thursday. হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ, oh,
Hmm.
yes, Jay, Wednesday, Thursday. I already
Yeah.
Time to pause.
reminded
Please
the
stop.
team.
Close your eyes. Count. One, two, three, four, five. Open your eyes.
Okay. So anything else, or are we pretty much done?
No, Jay, not for now. Not for now. Thank you so much for your time, Jay. And one more thing to make sure that I have schedule. Okay, let me check and confirm there. Okay, I have a proposal for tomorrow Cobalt for client outreach. Cobalt H3. Can you confirm it, Jay? With Nomano Brown and Jay and Mamoon. Client outreach, social media setup.
When is that?
Tomorrow Cobalt H3.
Okay. I think H3. I don't do H3, so it'll be H2. But we also have asked that, so that might be difficult. We'll have to see.
Okay, Jay. I'll check in, Jay.
Yeah, so I think it's a regularly scheduled session, so you would never do a one-time session. You don't need to schedule a one-time session on top of a regularly scheduled session, so that would not
Mhm.
be a good time, right? Just check the regular schedules. Okay.
Okay, Jay. Okay, 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 Jay. Okay. So, Jay, are we good to do the evaluation or wrap up?
Yep. I think we are good to do our wrap up and call this a session. So yeah, I think
Very
we did pretty good. So yeah, thanks, Moon.
You're welcome,
And
Jay. You are always
overtime will get
welcome.
better.
Time to stretch. Please stop, stand up, and stretch and move around for 30 seconds.
Also, make sure that people know that we did the session and that there we have the recording. Did you link the recording to the notes?
Uh,
You were supposed to index it and link the recording. Can you do that, please?
hold on, Jay. Hold on. Just give me a minute.
The link is in topic 0,
Topic
line.
0, yeah, and a link to set up. Yeah, yeah, I did. Yeah, line 6, I pasted the link. Thank you, Jay. Anything else, Jay?
Okay. No, that's it. I'll talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Thank you. Take care.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.